How to change two-step verification email on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change two-step verification email on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here just click these 3 points in the top and then click settings, and here you will find account and then click two-step verification, and here you will find this one, change email. Just type here any email you want and type it again, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.